Hi there, my name is Christy, and I wanted to take a few minutes to show you how to set up your digital project planner. So the first thing I would do before editing anything in your planner is to go up here to File and make a copy of this entire presentation. And the reason for that is that you want to have a master copy for next year so that you're not having to go back in and delete portions, delete text. That can just be a real hassle. So you can go up here and rename your planner and take out the word master. And what I would probably do is just this school year that you're going to be working in. And if you haven't made a folder yet, I would probably make a folder. You can either do this by school year or by project planner. That's where I have mine stored. And then you can go ahead and save it. So once you have saved your new copy of your planner, you can go in and anywhere there's a text box, you'll be able to edit that portion of your project planner. So I wanted to just briefly walk you through a couple things and show you how I would set up this planner. You'll notice that the first page is the table of contents with links throughout the planner to different parts of the planner, different forms. And so let me just briefly show you the first few things. The first slide is just digital resources that I enjoy using whenever I'm doing projects, especially if I'm incorporating a digital portion. So here's just a few resources that I like to use in my class. There's a brainstorming sheet here if you want to take a quick note or you have an idea of something you'd like to do. And then it goes into the yearly overview. So this is for the month of August, where you can list the classes and projects that you are wanting to do for that month. And then after the yearly view, you'll notice that it moves into the monthly view, and it's more of a breakdown for each of the projects that you would like to do. So I'm going to jump back up to the top to our table of contents and show you how I have it set up. So you'll notice that I have the view of projects here, and then the teacher forms are down here and the student forms. So at the beginning of the year, when I'm getting ready to set up my projects, what I would do is go down to the teacher forms, and you can click on it to jump to that slide. And I would go ahead and copy all of the forms that I would like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select all of the teacher and student forms that I want to use. And I'm just going to copy them. I'm going to press Control C. And I'm going to move my mouse up to August. And I'm going to go ahead and paste those forms in. So if we scroll up here, we'll notice that we have August, and then it moves right into my teacher forms and then my student forms. And there's two reasons for doing this. The first reason is that you don't want to be editing your forms at the bottom of this planner, and then for your next project have to go in and delete text. So it's better to make a copy of them and put them under the month. Second reason being when you have more than one project, it can get quickly overwhelming in your planner. So by organizing it by month, these forms will all stay organized for you. So if I jump here to slide 10, I'll jump right to my August projects and all my forms will be in one place. And you don't have to worry about changing any of these links. You'll notice that this actually changed on its own. So this jumps right to September. So you don't have to worry about these links getting mixed up or anything like that. As long as you don't go in and remove any of these links, they will stay linked to the correct monthly view. So then once you have your forms copied under the month, then you can go ahead and start editing your forms here and working through your teacher prep sheets, answering the questions, thinking through the different parts of your project, the budget sheet, and project checklist. And then you can also watch the next video to see how to use this best with some of the Google tools that are available.